Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi taala wabarakatuh. Perkenalkan, nama saya Surya Dharma. Saya adalah mahasiswa PPG dalam jabatan tahun 2023 dan hari ini saya akan mengajar di sekolah saya. Bagaimana saya mengajar hari ini? Yuk kita lihat bersama-sama. Oke, good morning 7A.
Good morning, Mr. Surya.
I'm really nice to meet you today, like before. How are you today?
Good.
What is your condition? Cesa? Gimana keadaannya? Sehat hari ini? Sehat. What about you, Danesh? Are you okay today? No. Why? Batuk. Alia? Flu. Timothy? Good. Good. Before we continue our lesson today, I want to check your name one by one first. Who is absent today? Talita, Kirana, Kenzi. Oh, Atora, yeah. Okay. Before we continue, we want to pray first. Who wants to be the prayer leader? Bonaro? Maju tak gentar, membela yang benar. Maju tak gentar, hak kita diserang. Okay, thank you. You may sit down. Before we start our lesson today, I want to tell you about our objective for today's lesson. Thank you, Mister. Okay, our objective today, you will be able to create a written descriptive text related to person, animal, object, paying attention to social function, text structure, and language elements correctly, appropriately, within the given context. I ever told to you about the descriptive text talking about these objectives. And then, what must we do? Yes. Ini kelas 7A. Jadi hari ini adalah kita akan melanjutkan tema pembelajaran kita terkait dengan teks deskripsi. Jadi di dalam teks deskripsi itu menggambarkan objek ataupun orang ataupun benda atau hewan yang bisa kita deskripsikan. Pay attention to the link. Sebelum melanjutkan ke pelajaran tersebut, alangkah lebih baiknya hari ini kita akan menyampaikan dulu tujuan dari pembelajaran kita hari ini. Dan pembelajaran kita hari ini adalah kita diminta atau kita ingin menghasilkan sebuah proyek kalimat ataupun kata ataupun tulisan terkait dengan teks deskripsi. Jadi hari ini akan ada 6 hal yang harus kita lalui dalam menjalani pelajaran hari ini. Yang pertama, kita akan membuat kelompok. Jadi untuk setiap kelompok bisa diakses di sini. Dan kemudian kita juga akan membuat perencanaan terkait dengan membuat teks deskripsi yang bisa kita akses juga di sini. Nah, selanjutnya kita pun bisa membuatnya dalam bentuk karya kita ataupun semua tulisan-tulisan kita dari perencanaan yang sudah kita buat bisa diakses juga di sini. Selanjutnya ada beberapa hal yang akan kita lakukan lagi selain kita membuat teks deskripsi yang bisa kita berikan informasi kepada pembaca kita yang sumber-sumbernya juga bisa diakses. Jadi selamat bekerja dan kita akan tunggu bagaimana kita menyelesaikan target pembelajaran kita hari ini. Terima kasih kelas 7. Okay, this is our learning goals. Okay, for your work, we want to tell you something that this is about our rubrics. So, me as your teacher will give you a good marks or a good judgment based on this criteria. I want to ask you something before. Brandon, what is our topic before? About descriptive text. You're talking about what for our descriptive text? I'm still remember you talking about horse. Can you tell me again about that?
Coach,
About coach.
like coaching.
Oh, to coach the horse or the rider.
We learn the rider to make it like more flexible and more about coach.
Okay. What do you think when you see this video? Could you please describe this? Abed, what do you think? Good. Max, what do you think? A beautiful place. Timothy, what do you think? This is the previous lesson. Good. What do you think when you see this? Can you describe? Cat. Azara? Cute. This is talking about. What about this? What do you think about this? Brandon,
It's like a shop something.
you describe the cat.
Oh, maybe like which is funny.
Okay. Chesa?
The cat has skills.
Oh, the cat has skills. Skills to jump and to grab something. And cute. In a real life, when you have to describe something, I will tell you in bahasa Indonesia. Jadi beberapa hari yang lalu Mr. Seni ke Tasbih. Mr. Seni ke Tasbih. Jadi ke Tasbih Mr. Seni tanya, Pak Security, Bapak tahu rumah blok B2 nomor 15? Terus Pak Security-nya bilang, warna merah Pak rumahnya, kemudian ada pagarnya cat warna hitam, ada pohon palemnya di depannya, kemudian ada sepeda yang parkir di sana. Bapak lurus saja, nanti Bapak ketemu. Dia dengan detailnya mendeskripsikan hal itu kepada Mr. Surya. Padahal nanya, Pak tahu blok B2 nomor 15. Dia udah paham, dia bisa deskripsiin lagi. So this is the benefit why we have to learn about descriptive text. Pay attention to this video. This will be related to our lesson today.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello, peace people. Welcome to our lesson. Belajar sambil rebahan ala fikir lesehan we fun. Hari ini kita akan belajar bagaimana sih cara membuat paragraf deskriptif teks tentang orang.
So, after watching that video, you have to know that There is some benefits when you learn about descriptive text. And now we want to discuss about this. After watching the video tingling will be related to our project today. I want to divide you about this in a group, but you have to know this is what is our essential question I ever told to you before. This is Cesa, could you please to read the first?
How can we produce a descriptive text to capture the reader's attention?
Okay, this is the goal. When you create descriptive text, make sure that your readers will pay attention with your writing. We want to design a plan and creating our schedule to make our project today, and will get a good result in a product. I will give you 2 minutes to make a group consists of 3 or 4. Every single group consists of 3 or 4. I wanna check your group. Timothy, who is your member? Okay. Abed. Okay. Brandon. Okay. Freya? Okay. Danes? Cesa? Risala dengan Raffi. I will give you, this is, you have to fill out this form first before we start to making our project today. Okay. How many groups? Okay, it's 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 groups. 5. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4. Talking about what? Building, animals, Talking about what? Huh? About what? So it will be the same, each of you, with the same object. Brandon. Hmm. Role play? In where? No. Just to present only. Kimberly? Oh. Talking about animals, buildings, or superhero, or influencer. In this stage, you have to make, yeah, you already plan, and now you have to do. Like in high school, plan, do, and review. To finish this project, each up group has a different time to finish this. Abe, if you have finished it, you have to send here. Surya at sch.. Okay, time is up. Okay, time is up. We want to see whose group is ready. Whose group is ready to present? Okay, Abed's group. Okay, sit here, stand up in here, and then all the audience pay attention to your friends.
Okay. So first, we'll explain about the sport first. And there are lots of famous sports around the world, such as basketball, uh, rugby, golf, and etc. But the most famous one is football or years ago by the ancient Chinese, and there are lots of leagues or competition in football, such as one of the most prominent leagues in football are the Premier League and La Liga. Inside, inside the league, there are lots of clubs inside, such as Barcelona, Real Madrid, and Manchester. These two leagues in the world, and inside there are clubs. There are players that
And two of the
and two of
most
the most
famous
famous players, which is Cristiano Ronaldo and Lionel Messi.
half.
So, being a professional footballer requires some discipline such as training. Before being a professional football player, graduate
Academy.
the academy can like
And
Ronaldo.
yeah, yes, Ronaldo, Messi sucks.
Batista,
Ronaldo.
Ronaldo. Okay, any question or comment? No?
No,
Comment? Timothy, any question about this group? No. Okay, I think this is really informative from this group. They explain more about from the first what is the football player, the subject is football player, and then give the information talking about the player, and then they come up in a conclusion like this. Okay, thank you so much for this group. Give applause to this group.
also write book about this forest, and one of the books written is a book called The Suffering, made by Rin Chupeo. People mostly do suicides in the Aokigahara forest because they think that they will be able to die without getting any attention or anyone realizing that they die.
The first one is moving rock. Decided trails lead to several tourist attractions such as the Narusawa Ice Cave, Taku Wind Cave, and Lake Saibat Cave, which are three larger lava caves near Mount Fuji, the ice cave being frozen year-round. There are also some flora and fauna inside the forest. Some of the fauna include Asian black bears, black mountain boar. The forest also has a variety of
coniferous broadleaf trees and shrubs like Hemochyparis, obtusa, Pinus parviflora, Fishugus sieboldii, and many others.
Thank
Kayaknya enggak.
No. Sometimes.
Sometimes because the location is near to Mount Fuji. As you know, Mount Fuji is one of the coldest mountain. Yeah. Yes. It's because you don't came in the right time.
Sometimes.
Yeah, sometimes. So, example, if you came in the summer, they will not have any snow. But if you came in the winter, there will be some snow.
Okay, any question? Abed, the last? Oh, Priscilla,
Why did you guys pick that topic?
Huh?
Why did you guys pick that topic?
why you choose this topic?
Because this is interesting.
There's a lot of suicide.
Because it's
Yeah.
interesting.
A lot of
There's a
suicide
lot of
case.
suicide case.
Priscilla,
Woi, continue.
Bisa.
Putus.
Yes, sometimes when
That
the
is cool.
Fuji mountain is snowing, then also this forest will be cold.
okay. Give applause to this group. Maybe next meeting we will continue talking about to present the others group talking about the different topics, talking about our descriptive text. I'm sure that all of you knows about this topic, but make sure I will reflect that. Pay attention to the diction and the capital letters and the full stop and the question mark. Make sure the writing for your audience as your target in your project planning form will be suitable with this. So the audience will understand. What is talking about. Okay? I think this is the last of our lesson.
No.
Next meeting we will continue for the others group to present. But I will check. I think that's all. Is there any question talking about this? No more question? I want to ask who wants to pray?
Woi.
Raisa.
Oh, kali, Bang.
Yes. So much, and you have to clean up and make sure your laptop, your mouse, your chair in a proper way. Thank you so much, 678.